Hello to all my children. As usual, we are going to make another origami creation. But you might be thinking, why is this video different? That's because for me, I need the phone to follow the guidelines or to follow the instructions. But there's no way for me to keep it. So I actually made an origami phone holder. A phone holder using origami? Is it possible, you ask? Of course it is. Let's make it with this little piece of paper. First, fold it in half like this. Then open it up, and then this corner edge comes to the middle line. Do the same thing on this other side. Now, this edge, you have to fold it like this to make a triangle. Then do the same thing on the other side. Do the same thing for this top part here. Now all four corners have been folded. Now can you see there are two little flaps like this? So fold them backwards like this, and then watch carefully. Slowly bring this middle part in like this. See, we are going to press it down in the middle so that the three pieces come together. Now there's a pocket here. So what we are going to do is put all three little pieces here into this pocket. And then you can press it down. Do the same thing. Bring the two flaps backwards, and there's a pocket there then. So we have to do a yama origin there, and when you push them together, they become one, and you open this pocket and push those three little pieces in and press it properly together. Now you can properly press on those folding lines, and then I want you to fold it in half like this. Now see what happens when we turn it around. Oh my goodness, isn't it a phone holder? It's a beautiful, easy, fun way of making a phone holder. So we didn't use any glue or any scissors. You can even use a newspaper to make a phone holder like this. Why don't you also try this and gift this to your parents for them to use? So we'll see you soon. Goodbye.